Well, today this Creality Ender3 3D printer really helped me a lot. I have a very old machine, 17 years old, and this is one of the many small pneumatic cylinders, and that little fitting there broke off. And I don't have a fitting similar. The only fitting that I had is this one here, but this is a 3/8 27 threads per inch, much bigger than that. So I thought, let me try with this 3D printer to make a little adapter, which has got the 6mm fine thread on this side, and on the other side, got the female thread for the 3/8. But it would be better if I show you in the Designspark where I created this. This is Designspark, and as you can see, this is the fine thread, the 6mm, and it was fairly easy. I had to create these as two separate objects, this object and this object, and then I combined them later on. Creating this thread was very easy because I could count the quantity of threads for the length and divide it and get the pitch. And in fact, the same is true for this female thread. One thing I can say is that when it's a male thread, you can just make it exactly 100% according to your measurement. But when it's a female thread, you have to give a tolerance of 0.1 millimeter. Otherwise, you'll have a very tight fit. The other thing is, because this is only 6mm in circumference, then when you deduct the height of the thread, and there's a 1mm hole in it, that doesn't leave enough material to be strong. And since the broken fitting is a metal fitting, and this is a plastic fitting, I made this area big. So, and what I did is when I screwed it in, just before it touched the surface, I put some super glue and gave it a last turn, and that now if something bumps against it, it will not take that force on this place here where the old one actually also broke. It is now assisted by this bigger area with the super glue. This side I'm not worried because it's got a lot of body on it. And it's actually in the machine now. It's working. It's working fine. The only real problem I had was when the, the slicing software made support inside here, and it actually covered the hole, but that's not a big problem. I could just I just put a 1 millimeter drill through, and it was okay. Now I can show you where this thing is actually working. Uh, Let me get to that video. And here